This pabda is a delicate fish with extremely flavorful flesh, and hence this curry is cooked light with minimal usage of spices. Surprisingly, this version of pabda requires no onion, no garlic, and no tomato at all. The bata masala or freshly pounded spices and fresh coriander leaves are the key for this fragrant curry to bring the best flavor from the pabda itself. Hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's begin today's recipe. Before that, let me show you the ingredients, and the ingredients are green chili, cumin seed, ginger, kalo jeera or Nigella seed, salt, turmeric powder, and coriander leaves with our lovely pabda. Over here I am using medium size pabda, 4 in number. Now let's begin. First of all, wash the pabda carefully, clean it, and then add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Marinate it for 5 minutes before frying it. And next, after the marination is done, it's time to fry our lovely pabda. For that, in a pan, add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, and once the oil heat up, slowly dip in our lovely pabda. Though be very careful while adding this pabda because it splatters a lot. You can see from this video. After that, fry it from both the sides for 1 to 2 minutes. On the other side, let me make a masala. For that, we need 2 to 3 green chili, few thin slices of ginger, then add half teaspoon of cumin seed, half teaspoon of kalonji or kalo jeera. Now, make a fine paste with the help of a mixer grinder. Once it is done, then keep aside and move on to our fried fish. From one side, our pabda is beautifully done. Now flip the other side. Again, I just want to mention always be careful while frying this type of fish. And after that, remove the pabda, and into that same oil we will cook further. After removing the fried fish from the oil, add 1/4 teaspoon of kalonji and the masala paste which you have made before the starting of the recipe. Stir it well and cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Then into it add salt as per your taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then add 1 cup water, and once it starts to boil, then we will add our fried fish and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. And as you know that the fish are very fresh and very delicate, so it doesn't need too much time to cook. Hardly within 5 minutes your entire cooking will be done. After adding the pabda fish, don't forget to sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves from top as well as few green chilies if you like it. Now cook for 4 to 5 minutes in a very low flame. Now when you see the gravy has turned to semi gravy, then switch off the flame and give a standing time of 10 to 15 minutes before serving it hot. Though don't forget to sprinkle some more coriander leaves from top at the time of serving. As pabda is so high on nutrition value, it cannot be fried or cooked for a long time. Otherwise, all goodness of the fish will be gone in the oil and spices. That is the another reason that pabda is often cooked in kalo jeera or tel jhal without onion, garlic, and tomato. Now serve and enjoy this delicate fish with your friends and family. And if you think today's recipe is worth it and you really like it, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so when I upload my next video, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy. Bye bye.